Experiencing problems with the Spectrum TV app on your Apple TV? You're not alone. Common issues include sign-in failures, playback errors like buffering or freezing, and network connectivity problems. Let's start with the quickest solutions. First, ensure both your Apple TV and the Spectrum app are updated to the latest versions. Spectrum released app version 25.10 in early 2025 to improve compatibility with newer tvOS versions, specifically addressing issues introduced after tvOS 18.2. Next, try restarting your Apple TV and the app itself. Sign out of the Spectrum app and then sign back in. A simple restart often resolves temporary glitches. Check your internet speed using a speed test app on your Apple TV. For HD streaming, you'll need at least 25 Mbps, and for 4K, aim for 100 Mbps. If your internet speed is lacking, contact your ISP. Make sure the app has permissions to use your location. To do this, check your Apple TV settings. If basic fixes don't work, let's dive deeper. Sign-in issues often arise from authentication problems. Double-check your Spectrum account credentials to make sure you are using the right information. Keep in mind that Spectrum allows a limited number of concurrent streams, up to 5. Playback problems, such as buffering, are frequently caused by network instability. Verify your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Use Apple's network diagnostics tool to identify potential bottlenecks. Consider switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for less interference, especially if you live in a crowded area. If you're in a rural area, poor signal strength may be the culprit. For older Apple TV models, pre-4th generation, compatibility issues may exist. Spectrum recommends upgrading to a newer Apple TV for optimal performance. As of March 2025, Spectrum implemented enhanced security protocols, OAuth 2.0 improvements, which should reduce sign-in failures. Resetting your Apple TV's network settings can also help. Found in Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support directly at 1-855-478-6789 or visit apple.com/support for Apple-specific issues.